Searching for outdoor ant killers feels like falling into a trap yourself. Every product looks the same, makes the same promises, and shows the same fake before and after photos. But the real difference between what works and what's just marketing, that's buried deeper than the ant colony itself. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1: TERRO Liquid Bait Stations. First up, the TERRO Ant Killer Bait Stations. These little plastic pods are deceptively simple. Just place them down and let the liquid bait do its work. What caught my eye is how many people swear by them despite looking basic. If you want something that quietly wipes out entire colonies without spraying chemicals everywhere, this is worth a serious look. Worker ants find the sweet liquid inside, bring it back to the nest, and share it with the queen and larvae. That means even the ants you don't see get eliminated. TERRO uses borax as the active ingredient, which is slow-acting enough to let the ants spread it widely before dying. It's EPA approved, and with over 40,000 bought recently, it's clearly working for a lot of people. Now, some people complained about slow results, like no instant knockdown. Here's the thing though, fast sprays kill visible ants but miss the colony. This method takes a few days, but it actually solves the root problem. If you're dealing with persistent indoor trails or near entry points outside, this is smart. Skip this one if you need immediate results after a picnic invasion. But if you're patient and want long-term control, this is solid value. Product number 2: Ortho Home Defense Spray. Now, if TERRO's slow and steady approach isn't your style, this next one takes a completely different approach: Ortho Home Defense Insect Killer with Comfort Wand. This is a heavy-duty perimeter spray that creates a chemical barrier lasting up to 12 months. It's not just for ants, it hits roaches, spiders, fleas, even scorpions. The Comfort Wand is a game changer. Battery-powered, continuous spray, no pumping. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got recurring ant invasions every spring, this prevents them from getting in at all. The active ingredient, bifenthrin, is a synthetic pyrethroid that paralyses insects on contact. Over 10,000 bought it last month, and it's especially popular in warmer climates where ants are year-round pests. Now, some people complained about the smell and the need to avoid spraying near food areas. Here's the thing though, it's labeled for both indoor and outdoor use, but you've got to be careful, don't spray countertops or pet zones. That said, for sealing off your home's perimeter, it's one of the most effective sprays out there. This is perfect for you if you want proactive protection and don't mind a little prep work. Skip it if you have small kids or pets crawling on treated surfaces daily. Product number 3: Ortho Fire Ant Killer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for fire ants: Ortho Fire Ant Killer. These aren't your average sugar ants. Fire ants build mounds, sting painfully, and ruin lawns. This granular formula kills the queen and collapses the mound in just 60 minutes. Bottle, here's why this matters for you specifically. Fire ants aren't just pests, they're dangerous. Their stings can cause allergic reactions and their mounds kill grass. This product uses acephate, a fast-acting insecticide that gets absorbed through the ants' bodies. It's sold as a 2-pack, so you're covered for multiple treatments. Over 5,000 people bought it recently, mostly in the South where fire ants dominate. Now, some people complained about it not working on super large mounds or in rainy conditions. Here's the thing though, you have to use the right amount per mound size, and rain can wash it away if applied right before a storm. But on a dry day, it's one of the fastest fire ant solutions available. This is perfect for you if you've got active mounds and want quick, visible results. Skip it if you're dealing with non-fire ant species. It's specialized. Product number 4: TERRO Ant Killer Plus Granules. Now, if Ortho's fire ant focus is too narrow, this next one covers a wider range: TERRO Ant Killer Plus Granules. This 3-pound shaker bag kills not just ants but roaches, fleas, crickets, earwigs, and more. It's outdoor only, designed for band treatments around your home's foundation or spot treatments on ant hills. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got multiple pests invading your yard, ants on the patio, roaches near the grill, fleas in the grass, this one product handles them all. The shaker bag makes application easy, no spreader needed. Just sprinkle a barrier where you see activity. It starts working within 24 hours and keeps protecting. Over 3,000 bought it recently, and it's a favorite for whole yard defense. Now some people complained about it not working as well in heavy rain or on thick grass. Here's the thing though, like any outdoor granule, it needs dry conditions to activate. But for dry climates or covered areas like under decks, it's highly effective. This is perfect for you if you want broad-spectrum outdoor pest control without buying 5 different products. Skip it if you only have a small ant problem, it's overkill. Product number 5, Raid Max Liquid Ant Bait. Finally, the Raid Max Liquid Ant Bait. Don't let the familiar name fool you, this isn't just another spray. These 12 pre-filled bait stations use spinosad, a natural bacteria-derived toxin that ants carry back to the colony. It works on a huge range: pavement ants, odorous house ants, crazy ants, and more. And unlike TERRO, this one is approved for both indoor and outdoor use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got ants sneaking in through window sills or under doors, you can place these inside * and outside for double coverage. The liquid is attractive to foraging ants, and because it's slow-acting, it gives them time to share it widely. Over 2,000 bought it recently, and it's gaining traction for its versatility. Now, some people complain that it doesn't work on fire ants or carpenter ants. Here's the thing though, Raid clearly lists the excluded types, so it's not a flaw, it's a limitation. For common household ants, it's excellent. This is perfect for you if you want a ready-to-use, dual-use bait that's safe around kids and pets when used correctly. Skip it if you're dealing with aggressive species like fire ants. So which one wins? For colony elimination, TERRO and Raid baits are best. For instant barrier protection, Ortho Home Defense Spray. For fire ants, go with Ortho Orthene. And for multi-pest outdoor control, TERRO Granules. Each has its strength, pick based on your ant type, location, and how fast you need results. Don't just grab the first bottle you see. Match the tool to the problem.